out about your electrical system. Again, I can show you full schematics. Most POHs have them, of our main bus, our avionics bus. But again, let's save that for our commercial pilot discussion, because I hope you're going to continue on with your ratings, become an instrument pilot, become a commercially rated pilot. But what you need to understand are two things. First off, what on your airplane is electric? Well, we know our lights are electric. We know our GPS is electric. In some aircraft, your flaps are electric. Now, if you're flying a Cherokee 140, you've got that, I call them emergency brake flaps. Like in the old minivans, they have an emergency brake. That's how your flaps work in that. They're manual. My Cessna 172, though, has electric flaps. If I were to lose an alternator, lose a battery, I'm going to lose my flaps as well. My turn coordinator as well is electric. You can look at your turn coordinator next time you're at the airport. You'll notice it says DC above it to show it's electric. A lot of redundancy in our avionics system. Know what's electric on your airplane and know what you would lose in the event of an alternator failure. Now here, when you get asked, this is how your check ride's going to go. They're going to ask you what's electric on your airplane. You're going to tell them my flaps are, my lights, my GPS, my transponder, my turn coordinator. You're going to tell them that stuff. Then you say, great, tell me the specs. Tell me more specifically about your electrical system. And you need to answer this sentence. I have a blank volt direct current system with a blank volt battery, all driven by a blank amp alternator. And here's what that actually looks like. I have a 28 volt direct current system with a 24 volt battery, all driven by a 60 amp alternator. Now you'll notice the system, being 28 volts, is greater than that of the battery, being 24 volts. Well, that's needed so that alternator can actually even charge our battery. That's how all that works. These are numbers you can find in your POH. If not, I know your instructor knows them. And also, you can always search on the internet for your POH. Maybe you're not even flying just yet. Find your aircraft or an aircraft you think you'll be flying. Find its POH online and get these numbers. You're gonna need to know these numbers cold for your check ride. See you guys in the next lesson.